the beach one day, waddling along in a row to play. Splash, splash here and a wiggle, wiggle there. Soft sand squishing everywhere. Quack, 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 what a sunny day. Quack, 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 what a sunny day. Four little ducks built castles in the sand, scooping and shaping with their flappy hands. Wave came in with a swishy swoosh. Castles melted, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Quack, 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 that was fun and grand. Quack, 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 that was fun and grand. Three little ducks chased seashells bright, shiny and twinkly in the warm sunlight. Tip-tap feet on the sandy shore, running back and forth for more. Quack, 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 oh what a sight. Quack, 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 oh what a sight. Two little ducks saw a sailboat glide, bob, bob, bobbing on the tide. Flap, flap wings in the salty breeze, dancing happy by the sea. Quack, 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 joy far and wide. Quack, 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 joy far and wide. One little duck felt sleepy and slow, golden sun hanging low. Mama duck called, time to go. Home they waddled in a row.